Hi guys, and welcome to the unboxing of something else. This is a coffee maker. I saw this actually in a store and I thought, oh wow, this looks good. So I thought I'll give it a shot. It's going to be really compact and nice coffee machine. It makes coffee, cappuccino, latte and so on. It's not really my thing, but I just kind of like the way this gizmo looks. So here we go. So it comes with some, what's in here? So 2 minutes to get going and start saving. Okay. So it comes with some of these. I guess that's what you use to make the coffee. I will keep this aside for now. Need to make some room on the table. And then this is now empty. Well, we have an instruction book. Okay, and that's empty, so I'll chuck that away. Instruction manual, and then in here is the actual unit itself. Okay, so we have here, let's rip this open. Not sure what this is, but yeah. Not sure what this is, but okay, it looks like a tray sort of thing. Keep that there. And this is the actual unit. It's sort of silver and black. That's what the bottom looks like. So I will okay, this lifts up. And that's basically it, guys. So this is where it looks like that's where this goes. Well, I don't know. I will figure it out. There should be something that goes in there. Maybe this goes in there. Oh yeah, it actually just sits in nicely. It sort of feels magnetic actually. And that's it, guys. Thanks for